How you doing, everybody? My name is Dr. Sami Baya. Please welcome back to my YouTube channel. How to make a narcissist miserable. That is the title of this video. We all know that a relationship with a narcissist is a nightmare. A relationship with a narcissist is very difficult. Why? Because narcissists are very selfish people. They only care about their needs. They lack empathy. They are very arrogant. And they want to use you, misuse you, and discard you. Their main mission in your life is to destroy you. Their main mission in their life is to hurt you, to cause pain in your life. When you're crying, they're happy. That's what the narcissist is. They believe they are more superior than everybody else. They believe they are more important than everyone else. Now, they think everybody else is envious of them. But the truth is that they are envious of everybody else. They're jealous people. Now, a narcissist, if you want to make them miserable, number one, you need to ignore them. Ignore that narcissist if you want to make them miserable. Don't give them the attention they need, because narcissists want constant attention, constant praise, validation. Don't give that to them. Don't praise them. They'll do everything to get a reaction from you. They'll provoke you to give them attention. Don't, because to the narcissist, whatever kind of attention you give them, it's important. Whether it's negative or positive attention to them, it's fine, so long as you give them some attention. Don't give them attention. Be like a gray rock, Gray rock is very dull and boring. Just do that. Do some limited communication with the narcissist if necessary. Limit your answers to yes, no. Don't give so much to the narcissist. Just be boring. They will try to provoke you to react. Just try and be calm, cool, and collected. That's a very good strategy when you're dealing with the narcissist. Now, number two is to act indifferent towards the narcissist, because the narcissists want attention. They want you to focus on them. Don't do it. All right? Be indifferent towards them. That will make them miserable. They want praise from you. Deny them that praise. They want attention from you. Deny them that attention. It will make them be miserable. Don't recognize them. Don't acknowledge their accomplishments, because one thing with the narcissists, they love exaggerating their own accomplishments. And they're liars. When you talk about lying and narcissism, it's like they're brothers and sisters or cousins. The other thing to make a narcissist miserable, tell them how happy you are, because narcissists hate happy people. They hate successful people. Show them and tell them you're a very happy person. Tell them about your success. Show them that you are successful and you are a happy person. They will be miserable. They don't want to see you happy. They believe the success that you're having should be theirs. To them, they're the only ones who deserve that success. If you got a promotion, they think that promotion should be theirs. If you got some money, cash from somewhere, they think that money should be theirs. They think whatever makes you happy, they believe it should be theirs. Narcissists don't like happy people. They don't like seeing happy people happy. That's why they will always try to create conflict, drama, chaos. They thrive in those things. They'll try to create confusion. That gives them satisfaction. When they see people are fighting, when they see confusion, when they see drama happening, then the narcissist is happy. To make the narcissist miserable, use facts. Don't use your emotions. Don't use feelings. Use facts. Hard facts. That is how you make the narcissist miserable. When you're arguing with the narcissist, don't argue. Don't waste your time arguing. Give facts and be factual and be calm. Sometimes you can tell the narcissist you'll talk later, you'll discuss later. Don't have anything to do with arguments when you're dealing with a narcissist. There's no time. They'll provoke you to react. Don't. Just use facts, be calm, be cool. And again, to make the narcissist miserable, set boundaries. Stick to those boundaries and enforce them. That way you hurt the narcissist. They hate boundaries. They believe they're entitled to everything around you. They want to control you. They want to control your environment. They want to control everything around you. How dare you put boundaries on them? When you have boundaries, it becomes so difficult for the narcissist to manipulate you, for the narcissist to control you. So, have those boundaries in place, enforce them, and tell the narcissist, if you shout on me, if you shout at me, I'll walk away. And true to your word, if they shout at you, walk away. Have boundaries in place. Tell the narcissist, if you don't change this behavior, I will not be your friend. And if they don't be their friend. Tell them, whatever boundary you put in place, make sure you follow on with the consequences you put in place. Don't put consequences that you know you're not going to go through them. If you've put boundaries and you've warned the narcissist that you'll walk away from that relationship. If, for instance, they slap you, the day they slap you, please walk out. Now, the other way of making the narcissist miserable is to say no to them, reject them, abandon them if possible. The narcissists hate to be told no. They believe everything should be yes to them. They hate hearing the word no. If you tell the narcissist no, it is a big insult to them. Tell them no if you want to make them miserable. If you want to cause pain to them, if you want them to be miserable, sad, say no to them. They will be so shocked. They will want explanation. Why dare you say no? Why no? There's no need of explaining yourself to the narcissist. And that's, again, it makes the narcissist even more miserable. Don't explain yourself to the narcissist. When you say no, let your no be no. You have no time to do explanations to the narcissist. The other thing is to confront the narcissist about their mistakes. You want to make the narcissist miserable? Confront them. Tell them point blank, eyeball to eyeball. Criticize them about where they went wrong. Narcissists hate criticism. They love criticizing others, but dare you criticize them, they will be enraged. They'll be angry. Because to them, they are perfect human beings. They are incapable of doing anything wrong. So the moment you are criticizing them, it's like you're reminding them that they're not perfect. You are hurting their fragile egos. To them, they don't take responsibility. The narcissist will never be accountable for mistakes. So when you are telling them about some mistakes, they will get irritated. To them, everything is your fault. All those mistakes you're talking about, those mistakes, you are the fault of those mistakes, according to the narcissist. Expose the narcissist manipulation tactics. That way also they will be miserable. If they are future faking you, promising you things that they'll never accomplish, tell them that you're lying to me. You're promising me this and you won't do it. They will try to manipulate you in many ways. If they gaslight you, tell them that. Use facts. Expose those the fact that they can't take responsibility for their actions, the fact that they're not accountable, the fact that they are lying to you. Point that out to the narcissist. They're triangulating you with someone else. Let them know that what they're doing, their trick of triangulation. Again, to make the narcissist miserable, focus on yourself. Take good care of yourself. Focus on your well-being. Start exercising. Start working out. Start doing those extra classes to empower and enhance your skills. The narcissists want you to put their needs first. Don't focus on the narcissist's needs. Put your needs first. Focus on yourself. Love yourself. Treat yourself with respect. You deserve to respect yourself. You deserve to be respected. Focus on your hobbies. Focus on what makes you happy. Spend more time doing what makes you happy. Work on your diet. Work on those skills that you want to perfect yourself. Again, anything that the narcissist told you to stop doing it, do it. You see, there are those things that you love doing, your hobbies, for instance. The narcissist told you not to do those hobbies. They told you they are not good for you. Make them miserable by doing exactly that. Because the narcissist never wants you happy. So, to make the narcissist miserable, choose to shine. Massive success is the best revenge on a narcissist. When you're successful, when you're happy, cheerful, the narcissist is miserable. Surround yourself with some good support system. It will annoy the narcissist because they want you isolated. The moment they see you with some friends, good friends who are trusted friends to you, who are supporting you emotionally, the narcissist will be in pain. They'll be miserable because their main aim is to isolate you. That's the only way they can punish you. They can hit you and hurt you. So, make sure you focus on yourself. Build yourself up. And to make the narcissist miserable, also get as much knowledge as you can about narcissistic personality disorder, about narcissism, about narcissistic relationships, about dealing with the narcissist. That knowledge will be power to you. When the narcissist sees you getting that knowledge, they'll be scared, they'll be miserable, because they know an empowered narcissist, an empowered empath, a knowledgeable empath is the narcissist's worst nightmare. They know with the knowledge that you're getting, you'll be so difficult to be manipulated. They know they will not be able to manipulate you again once you have that new knowledge. So work on yourself, build yourself up, get as much knowledge as you can about narcissism, and deal with that narcissist. Remember, the best revenge, the best way of making the narcissist miserable is to walk away from the narcissist. That way you will teach them a lesson. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not done so.